Here's the Curta in the original cardboard box. The cardboard box is missing the top. It has the manual. The storage cylinder is in absolutely perfect shape. No dings, dents, scratches, just some fingerprints. Here's the Curta itself. Absolutely pristine, new condition. There's a serial number right there, 39631. The top, we'll go ahead and we'll plug in a number here. We'll do, say, 32 right there. Give it a whirl. And there's our 32 showing up there. Do it again, we should wind up with a 64. There, 64. Perfectly. Go ahead and reset it. Put it back to 0. Lift it up to engage the reset, spin it around. And as you can see, all the numbers go back to 0. It's working absolutely perfectly. I'll turn it around here. No scratches, dings, dent, or any wear marks. It's pretty much brand spanking new.